Hi there, Charles Hunter with Sashco. Today I want to talk to you about one of my favorite Sashco products, and that's eXact Color. What is eXact Color? It's a tintable caulking that's going to match your paint perfectly. Where would you use eXact Color? Think about anywhere where it might be kind of a pain to caulk and then go back over and paint. With eXact Color, you're doing it in one step because it matches your paint perfectly. Think about along the stripes on your kitchen tile. You can match that with eXact Color. If you look at the block here, we've got a lot of different examples. We actually use metallic paint and get a metallic caulk. We have one here where we have a semi-transparent stain. We have a semi-transparent caulk. Really, really unique, and it's gonna save you so much time versus, again, caulking and then going back over and painting it. eXact Color is very simple to use. Right included in the box is everything you need. So you're gonna take the included syringe and 1 ounce right out of your container of paint. You're gonna add that to the tube of eXact Color, shake it, and then add the included thickener, shake it again. In that mixing process, you've created a tube of high quality, flexible, elastic caulk that matches your paint perfectly. It's gonna save you time, really, really easy to work with. I really know you're gonna like this one.